This coconut cake will surprise you. Fluffy and without wheat flour. I'll start by adding 3 eggs to this container. Then add 400 grams of condensed milk. Once that's done, we'll whisk the ingredients together very well. I'll add 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 200 ml of coconut milk, 100 grams of grated coconut, and now we'll beat again to combine these ingredients. 1½ cups of cornstarch, and we'll stir again until all the cornstarch is dissolved in the mixture. It's very simple to do, very quick. Now we can add our dough here to our buttered and sugared pan. Now just bake it at 180 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. And look at our cake without wheat flour or milk. What a treat! Simply spectacular. Make it at home. Can you believe there's no wheat flour in it? Look at that. Look at the texture of this cake, very fluffy, super delicious. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.